Stormy is back on the stand Thursday for more cross-examination by Donald Trump's lawyers. With us now, Shan Wu, criminal defense and college student defense lawyer, formerly of the Clinton Justice Department, worked very closely with Janet Reno. Todd Dupree, former Deputy Assistant Attorney General under George W. Bush. Gentlemen, appreciate you both being here. Shan, am I being unfair in saying that all four of these cases are falling apart?
On the last one, I disagree with you. I think the Manhattan one's going okay. I think on the Mar-a-Lago one, it was falling apart long before this latest filing, and I would tend to lay that at the feet of the judge there. She's really delayed things. She's not making. All
right, so go start with Mar-a-Lago. Why do you think this isn't bad for Donald Trump?
No, it's good for Donald Trump.
Sorry, start with the Stormy Daniels case that you think is not.
So Stormy Daniels, I think the cross-examination, I have to disagree with my colleague Ellie Honig there. It was a disaster for the defense, not for Stormy Daniels. Susan Necheles came out with a ridiculously comical first question of, hasn't this all rehearsed, when the jurors get the instruction that you're allowed to prepare witnesses. She was way too harsh. Maybe she's trying to perform for her client. But that kind of bullying tactic is very common to backfire when you have a female witness. And the atmosphere, it's correct to describe it as it's like a sexual assault case, even though it's not. But because of that atmosphere, you have to be very careful with how you handle that witness. And she was terrible at handling the witness.
Tom, the fact that you've got esteemed, and I think really some pretty critical legal minds, yourself, Ellie, a lot of other people who are so divided on this, doesn't that sort of tell you a jury might be equally divided?
Well, at a minimum, it would tell you there at least could be some jurors who see this more through a pro-Trump lens and didn't think that yesterday was the prosecutor's finest day in the New York case. And of course, all it takes is a single juror or two jurors to create reasonable doubt and hang a jury and deliver the defense a win. In my view, I thought the prosecutors actually went too far yesterday. I don't think it was a good day for the prosecution. I think that a lot of jurors heard this testimony, which no question was sordid, it was salacious, it was not safe for work. But I don't know if it was relevant. And I don't know if the jurors understood why the prosecutors spent hour after hour after hour eliciting all these sordid details from Stormy Daniels on an issue that's
not
peripheral.
Not safe for my mother either, who wrote me double ick after our segment on it. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.